So, Lakers at saka Nuggets, no? So, wala na tayong kailangang sisihin dahil si D'Angelo Russell ay nag-deliver na. Kaso, yun yung problema nung nakaraan. Depensa. Ang Lakers, lamang nung una. Pero nung humahabol na yung Denver, hindi nila ma-stop. Especially yung defense nila kay Jamal Murray. Yung defense ni Davis kay Nikola Jokic, nawawala. I think it's playoff time kung alam mong mainit yung player na yon. I think it's LeBron's responsibility to defend Jamal Murray. At for anything, kasi back in the day, kung alam mong mainit yung perimeter player ng yung team na kalaban mo, you should take the assignment. Kung star player ka, defend him. Lalo na siya yung mainit. So doon makikita yung lack of defensive mindset itong King James na to, na parang hindi ko na mas magaling daw, mas ganito. Yes, stat-wise, mas mataas siya kay Kobe, mas mataas na yung percentage niya kay Jordan at saka kay Kobe in terms of 3. Pero 2-0 naman yung Lakers. Oh. Have you ever seen Kobe in a 2-0 slump? Bihira. Have you seen Kobe in a Laker uniform 2-0? Bihira. Minsan, sila yung 2-0, sila yung lamang, or 1-1. 1-1 yun, or sila yung 2-0 usually. So, yun lang. Yung depensa ang nawawala. So, yun lang po.